Hey guys, so this is my final project. So how it works is I have a conveyor belt here that is moved by a NEMA 17 stepper motor here at the back. So the first step of the sorting process is the conveyor belt will move these colored cubes in front of the color sensor. And after it detects whatever color it is, the conveyor belt will move the colored cube and align it to its appropriate solenoid push-pull arm, which then pushes it into the sorting bins on the side. So now I'm going to talk about the hardware design of the main body and the enclosure and a bunch of other complex parts here. So yeah, since I needed a lot of complex parts to secure components, like for example the solenoid arm, which needed to be in place here, and then the color sensor here, as well as the loading guide here to basically make sure that these colored cubes goes into the right path here, and then this bracket here that secures the stepper motor onto the main body here, as well as the enclosure here to basically make sure there's holes for the LCD here and the toggle switch and these two push buttons, as well as the holes for the wires here at the front and at the back, and as well as the hole for the USB port here for the Arduino, and as well as the hole at the back here for the power jack. So that's why I decided to 3D model and 3D print most of the parts here. And yeah, the 3D modeling software that I used is called Onshape, and it's available online. So now I'm going to talk about the hardware user interaction. So I have a graphical user interface here, which is an LCD. So basically the first two lines is just the title of the project. The third line here shows whatever color the color sensor is detecting right now. And then the final line here basically just shows the count of however many color has been sorted. And then the controls here at the bottom, there's a toggle switch here which turns on and off the stepper motor, and this next push button here starts and stops the sorting process, and this one is a reset button which just resets the count of the sorted products. And then unfortunately the start and stop button stopped working, and for some reason it just didn't work anymore. So what I did is I just have the program default to just start, but the start and stop button still works on the mobile app. So now I'm going to show you guys the sorting process of the machine. I'm just going to load up the red color there. I'm just going to flip the stepper motor switch. Just gonna load it up with the green. And then a blue here. Right. And if you want to reset the count, you just hold this button for like a couple of seconds, and then it's just gonna reset back to 0. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how the mobile application works along with the machine. And I designed this app through the MIT App Inventor, and it is connected via Bluetooth. Now I'm just gonna hit start. It's the green here, blue here. Right there. So basically the user interface here is just the same as the LCD user interface. And then if you want to stop the sorting, just hit stop. And it's going to stop the sorting process. And if you want to reset, the count is going to go back to 0. It just shows up kind of a glitch, I think. And now it's back to 0. So that's my project. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day.